Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Labels by Soumi. My name is Soumi and today's video is all about how to get ready for a Zoom or a Skype conference call. So as you all know that these days we are just having everything like classes, meeting and everything related to school, college and work on the laptop. So I thought why not to make a makeup tutorial on it. So I was just sitting one day and I was having my meeting on my laptop, and then that was the time I noticed that I'm looking so dull because I was not putting any makeup on. I was just in my pajamas, to be very honest, and just looking at the screen, and I was feeling so low that day. Then I realized that why is it important to even be ready for a conference call, because it is very important to look presentable even if you are at home. So, and everybody is aware that how pathetic the front cameras on our laptop is. So even if you're looking very normal, it makes you look very bad. So yes, this video is all about how to get ready. So stay tuned, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we are going to start from moisturizing our face. You can take any moisturizer of your choice depending on your skin type. So I'm just going to apply it on my face. A dabbing motion, and at least you have to wait for like 2 or 3 minutes so that skin can absorb the moisturizer, and then we can just further go with the makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with my orange color corrector because I have pigmentation on my skin. If you don't have it, you can just completely skip this step. It's not required for you. So let's go in with the color corrector. Now I'm going to apply a little bit near my nose, this area, because I have quite dark skin oil. So I think I'll be using my beauty blender to blend this color corrector out. Actually I use brush, beauty blender and my fingers as well. So whichever suits you, you can go in with that. But I think the finish is good with the beauty blender, like for me. Blend it nicely. We'll be going in with the primer. I have taken a few drops of primer on my hand, and I'm going to rub my fingers together so that it gets charged up by my body heat, because the application looks good. It feels good also. I think primer is really important because it keeps the foundation in place and the makeup lasts all day long. So if you're going out, I think you should use a primer to keep your makeup on point till the end of the day. It's done. Now I will be using my yellow color corrector just to brighten up my under eyes. Just a little bit, because it looks good on the video. Well, one pro tip: whenever you are on a Skype or a Zoom call, always sit near your window, because anywhere where you have access to natural light, because it really gives very good effect and you look good. Okay, now I'm done with this. So again, I'm going to use my beauty blender in order to blend it out. Have to be patient. I'll be going in with the foundation. You can use any foundation you like, just make sure that it matches the tone of your skin, because it's really important. I've seen many people like taking lighter shades and it looks so weird. So please use the shade which exactly matches your skin tone. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. What I do is I just dab the foundation all over my face first. Actually, dabbing really helps because it saves the product also, and you have to use a minimal product and it's all over your face. The purpose is done. So the dabbing effects really works. I think you should guys try this out and let me know it will work for you or not in the comment section below. As you can see, I've covered my whole face in like one pump of my favorite foundation. So do try it out. Now I'll be going in with my beauty blender just to blend the foundation out and take out the extra product from my face so that I don't look weird. And the makeup looks really natural. That's the reason why I always say I love beauty blenders. It's a very airbrush kind of effect which looks good. I mean, I like it. It requires a lot of patience, guys. So you have to just dab, 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 dab. That's all you have to do. And one more thing, guys, I'm really sorry I don't show any product in my video because I think that it's all about the technique. And one more thing, guys, I don't show any product on my videos because what I believe is it's all about the technique, skills and everything. I can tell you how you should do it, and you can use any product of your choice to recreate this look. So it's completely on you because every people have different skin type, different skin tones. So I don't think so whatever product I am using or my skin tone products actually works for everyone. And if you really want to have a conversation about the products which I use, we can exchange our thoughts on my Instagram. So do check it out, say hi, and I would love to know what all products you like so that even I can try them on. I'm done with my foundation. I'm going to go in with my concealer just to brighten up few areas on my face. I'm sorry for the noises. Sorry for the noise, guys. There is this construction work going near my place, so I really can't help it. And I wanted to film this video in a natural light so you guys can see the effect. So sorry for the inconvenience. These are the areas I highlight using my concealer. Again, going in with the beauty blender, blend it all out. I know everybody's just sitting at home and getting bored. When I'm not thinking of any content or any videos, I just go in the kitchen and cook. Starts to cook anything I like. These days I'm exploring many YouTube channels regarding cooking so that I can learn how to cook new dishes out. So if any of you have a cooking channel, please link that down in the comment section below. I would love to check that out. You can see I'm done with the blending. Let's go to the next step. Now the next step is to contour, so I'm going to use very light shade because I just want to give a structure to my face, not to look it too loud on a video call. So yes, let's get in. So always you have to start your contour from here till here. Don't bring it too down because it will look so odd. So how I do it, I just dab till here because when we are blending it automatically comes down. So I don't want that to happen. Just a little bit, just to give a structure to your face, guys. Remember, you really don't have to make it look very loud. See? I'm going to do the same on the other cheek. Actually, I'm a very big fan of contouring, you know. I love contouring a lot. As you can see, it has given some structure to my face. I'm going to do the same with my nose. that it doesn't look too white. Actually, this gives a very natural finish to the makeup, you know. Your face looks structured, sharp. That's the reason why I actually love contouring, to be honest. Because I have a very flat face, you know. If I just go out only with my foundation, it looks so flat, even I don't feel good. So I make sure that I do my contouring whenever I'm doing my makeup and not skipping this step. Some on the jawline glue just to make it look sharp. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush. I'm using this peach color brush, dabbing off the excess, and all you have to do is smile. On the apples of your cheeks. That's the reason why they always say whenever you're applying blush, you should smile. And actually, you should smile like every time. There's no reason to be sad about it. So this is the motion which I use. I have given it a name as stick mark motion. It really works for me. So it goes like this. And I'm done. As you can see, it is looking very natural and it is not looking that I've applied some peachy color on my cheeks. And it's very dewy, very natural, very subtle. And this is what exactly you have to do for a conference call. Remember, you don't have to make it look too loud. So guys, before I go in with my highlighter, I'm just going to do my eyes. So I'm taking my concealer again and applying it on my lids so that the color will pop up. I'm just blending it with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna go in with my brown color from my palette because it's a very good transition shade, I think. And as it is a daylight meeting, so you really don't have to make it look very bright. So I'm going to go in with the brown color. It's a very good transition shade. So you have to apply. Now I have applied on my second eye as well. So now I'm just going to go in with a very light shade of golden. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. So any shimmery color from your palette will do for you. So I'm wearing black, so I love this combination. So I'm just going to go in with a light golden color. I use my fingers for this. And you have to blend it nicely. As you can see, it is making my eyes look very good. Very popped up eyes, like I'm all wide awake for the meeting. I'm just going to do the same with the second eye as well. I'm done applying the eyeshadow and I'm gonna go in with my kajal. I'm not a kajal person, but yes, for this look I decided to do it because few of us wear glasses whenever we are using our laptop, so it works for them. It makes their eyes, like behind the glasses, also look very lively. So yes, we are gonna go in with the kajal now. So I'm done applying with the kajal. Now this is a step which I do because it makes my eye looks bigger. So if you have small eyes, you can just try this on. So guys, I'm done applying with my eyeliner and I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I'm not going to use fake eyelashes for this look. So you have to use the mascara which gives volume to your eyelashes. So let's get started. I use this zigzag motion technique to make them look voluminous. So even you can try this on. So guys, I'm done with my mascara as well. Now it's time for my favorite step, which is the eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go in with my brown color. I don't use eyebrow pomade, so I go in with the powders most of the times. You can use whichever thing you like. So guys, I'm done with my eyebrows as well. Now we are going in with the highlighter. So this is what I do. I just use my beauty blender for that. I'm just gonna dab and then apply it on my cheekbones. On the bridge of my nose, on my temples, on the center, on my chin, and yeah. Now I'm just going to do my lips. So I'm using a very nude brown shade for this look. So guys, this is the final look I have created. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any updates. And don't forget to say a hi to me on Instagram. I'm going to link my Instagram handle below in the description box. So now I'm just going to put on my glasses and get back to work. Hope to see you all in the next video.